All right, now I'm on page 441 of the Go Math textbook. Let's do this. All right, so they gave us a cube, and then they also broke it up and showed us the net, okay, using the graph paper. So again, you can do this using your graph paper on any of these problems if you'd like, okay? So B, there's two ways we can do this. We can count the boxes. So there's obviously 6 boxes in this little rectangle. So 6. And then D is its opposite, right? Think of this as the left side of the box. This is the right side of the box. So D is also going to be 6. But we can also use multiplication. This is 2 by 4. So box A is going to be 8. And this is the back, and this would be the front. The back and the front are going to match. So face F is also 8. And then the bottom of the box and the top of the box will match. And the bottom and top are 3 by 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. So C and E are both going to be 12. And then we can, again, multiply 12 times 2, 8 times 2, and 6 by 6, and then add those 3 up, or we can simply add these all up, or we can just count all the boxes. So again, completely up to you. But I see 8 and 12 make 20. So I have this plus this is 20. So this plus this is another 20. So that's 40 plus 6 is 46. And then plus the last 6, that's going to give me 52. Whoops. So 52 centimeters squared. And we can obviously double check and count all these little boxes if we like to double check ourselves. Okay. Next, find the surface area of the rectangular prism. Okay, so I'm going to find the surface area of the front of this box first, which is, this line is 7, this is 3, so 7 times 3 is 21. And now remember, I also have the back, which is also going to be the same as the front. So there's 2 21s. Okay, next let's find the area of this left side that we see. So this line is 9, and this line we already knew was 3. That's 3. 9 times 3 is 27. And this side, the left side, is going to be the same as the right side. So there's going to be 2 27s. And then now let's find the area of the top. And then remember, the top and the bottom will have the same area. So this line we know is 9 because it's going to be the same length as this line. So 9 by, and this line is going to be the same length as this line. So 9 by 7. So the top is going to have an area of 63, and the bottom will have an area of 63. Okay, that's 42. That is 54, and that is 126. We add those up. 126. Mr. Music. 126 plus 54 plus 42. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12, carrying my 1. That's 9, 10, 11, 12, carrying my 1. So 222, and it's centimeters squared because we're still finding area. All right, let's look at number 3. Now you'll notice on number 3, all the lines are the same length. So this is a perfect cube. So kind of like our little word problem before. 10 times 10 is 100, and that means all 6 of the sides are going to have an area of 100. So to find the total area, we can take 100 and multiply it by 6, because there's 6 sides. So this one was real easy. 600 centimeters squared. Done. Okay, let's look at the next one. Let's find the area of this rectangle that we see right in front first. So this line is 15, and this line is going to be the same length as this line. So this is going to be 5. So 15 times 5 is going to be 75. So the area of this is 75. The front is 75, so the back is also going to be 75. So it's going to be 75 times 2. Okay, next, and don't erase your work, remember, just get more scratch paper. Next, let's find the this right side of the box, and it is 5 by 5. 5 times 5 is 25, and there's a right side and a left side over here, so they're both 25, so 25 times 2. And then now let's find the area of the top and the bottom. So this line is going to be the same length as this line. They're both 15. And this line is going to be the same length as this line. So those are both 5. So again, we have another 15 times 5. Well, we've already done that math. It's 75. And since it's another 75 by 2, I can just change this to 75 times 4. And that would, because I need a total of 4 75s, right? I need a 75 for this one, a 75 for this one, a 75 for the right side, and a 75 for the bottom. So that's 4 75s total, so 75 times 4. Okay, 25 times 2 is 50. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 2 is 30, so 300. And then plus 50, 350 centimeters, and it's still squared. All right, thanks again for watching. And again, if you have any questions, please raise your hand. Let's get them straightened out now. Any rectangular prism, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides that you need to find the area for and then add all those up. Okay, I've shown you some shortcuts in adding those 6 up, but if you don't want to take a shortcut, that's fine. You don't have to. All right, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.